There it is. You can see the radio tube, and it's looking right at me. Today, we're going to use the items on this table, plus the iPad, to fly the Neo 2 in a unique way. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is power on each of the items that we're going to need. And we'll leave the Neo 2 powered off for now. And of course, the iPad is already powered on, and we'll bring up the fly app. There we go. So we got that, we're ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the goggles to connect to the iPad using Live View. So we'll put on the goggles. Using Live View, we're connecting the goggles. The red arrow indicates when the goggles are detected. Then we connect to the Neo 2, and we look again and we see the goggles. It's asking us to connect them. We are connected them. We are now joining the goggles to the iPad. Now it shows it as connected. And next thing we'll do is get ready and we'll take off. And now, very easily, I can shut these down. And again, you see the exact same thing on the iPad. And the radio. Now I can put on my goggles. And I can see the exact same thing as on the radio and the iPad. And you can go around. The battery level is low, so we're going to have to land it soon. We landed it, turn it down, and there we go. We've pretty much finished our mission. Let's recap what we did on our test for our mission. We connected the RayNeo glasses to the iPad. We connected the goggles to the iPad using Live View. Then we used the motion controller and the RayNeo 2 or the Neo 2 and flew it around the office. We did the office because it's so hot outside, but this works just as well outside. In fact, I have a couple of videos, one where we flew the Vada 2 with the same connection, the same configuration at Sneaky Pete's, and also a video of doing it here in the office. So it's a very successful way. The beauty of doing it that way is you can have 3 people view what you're doing. One person can view on the goggles, one person can view on the iPad, and one person can view on the RayNeo glasses. So 3 people can enjoy that immersive experience. I hope you enjoyed the video and the testing, and please let me know with your comments below, and let me know if you used it in that configuration and what was it a positive experience. All for now. Thank you. Have a great day, and God bless.